Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. How are you, everyone? In this video, we check a kettle, electric kettle, how to check our electric kettle. This is the base nut. First, we remove. And removing the screw of this electric kettle, we can check this element with series lamp. This is a light. This is the element. These 2 points of element, this is number 1, this is number 2, and these two endpoints. हमारे पास we have series lamp. I on the button and check my lamp. When you touch these two wire, your series bulb is glow. You check. Now I checking my kettle through a series lamp. First we check short. This wire touch the body, and this wire touch this element. This is short, and touch second this side. This is good. Now I checking element. This is series lamp. You put this wire, this point element at one point, and this second point. You check. No, our lamp. This is the power indication of this kettle. Only when I touch, just it's glow. Our lamp not glow. This check. This element is not good. Now I switch off my series lamp